Oh yeah, were you surprised to see us?
Yes.
The Cooper Gibson Equity Education Center at Point Park University was a pilot program this year. We had some great students, and actually one of our greatest students is Anya. We want to have a special presentation for you today, so I want to call you up. Come on up, come on up. On behalf of Point Park University, Josh Gibson Foundation, and Chuck Cooper Foundation, again, we appreciate your dedication to always coming out and supporting the group, doing all the test scores, doing very well. So we want to present you with a brand new MacBook Air.
I really appreciate the MacBook. I've never even owned an Apple product before in my life, so that is really nice. This program has actually helped me a lot in realizing and getting to know where I wanted to be in life and what I can do for help. So I really do appreciate you and Chuck Cooper. It helped me a lot.
You have two Hall of Fame legacies like Josh and Chuck Cooper in the program. You're looking for young people who are showing leadership. And Samari not only just flew through our curriculum, but her leadership, leading by example, she's just an extraordinary young person. Samari, you ready to come up? Congratulations to all of you.
The Cooper Gibson Scholarship is going to help me in the future because college is very expensive and I just want to lower that cost in any way I can. So I'm very thankful for this award.
If you want to join, please do. The importance to me for being a role model is showing everyone that it can be done. And all you have to do is put your mind to it.
Mr. Cooper and Mr. Gibson, their legacy and what they did that had an impact on me. I'm proud to say that I know their families, I know their legacy, and I hope people have the same resounding feeling after they meet me.